What's the meaning of cat door? Cat door. Cat door.
Cat door. Cat door. A cat door is a small opening in a door or wall that allows cats to come and go as they please. It's designed to give cats the freedom to move in and out of the house without needing human assistance. The door is usually secured with a flap that keeps other animals or pests from entering. This feature is especially helpful for pet owners who are not always at home to let their cats in or out. Overall, a cat door provides convenience and independence for both cats and their owners.